Hi guys, this is the bargain of the century. Trust me when I tell you, you're gonna wanna watch this till the end. There are a lot of rooms here. I want this, and I want you to subscribe, so punch that button. I'm in love, I'm in
Sì,
love.
qui c'è proprio...
Oh my God. Wow. God, I love this. Wow. Holy wow. Oh, geez, Louise. She's already put €500,000 into it. She's asking $350 for it. Holy moly, schmoly. Wowza, schmauza. This is the best property we've seen. Where are we? Where are we?
In un borgo antico,
Okay.
sulla collina, qui in Lunigiana, con una vista fantastica.
Well, the view is bananas. It's
Incredibile.
crazy. It's incredible. All right,
Incredibile.
so I'm sold so far. We walked in, it's in a very cute little village, very few people, but very cute houses, and then very kind of groovy houses too.
10 minutes of Fivizzano,
Okay, 10 minutes from Fivizzano.
Gragnola.
And Gragnola, which is very cute. It's beautiful, easy drive, nice road. So those things I think are important.
Ottimo olio, miele e vino.
This is so he's selling the honey. So I will say this reminds me of my house a little bit because it's got the terrace on the very tippy top. The outside has completely been repointed. There's a new roof. So, you know, already it's a check, check, check.
Casa ristrutturata che vediamo adesso, 2 camere, bagno, cucina e locale a volta.
I'm moving in.
Vediamo subito.
I haven't even seen it inside. I'm moving in because I can see it from here. I'm so excited. I think a bug flew up my nose.
È fantastico secondo me questa finestra perché è sopra il lavandino.
Okay. E quanto costa questo?
Allora, 350.
This is so cute. Oh my God, this is adorable. I love this. You know what? They did something smart for once. They put the sink with the view. You're always standing at the sink, right? Oh, this is so cute.
Pronta,
I love it.
ristrutturata.
It's super cute.
C'è la stufa.
They have some outside plumbing, which you know I dig, so this is very cute. Super, super cute.
Qui c'è un bagno, caldaia, lavatrice.
He thinks it's a bathroom, but it's not. It's a laundry room. There's a toilet in there, though.
Cantina.
Yeah, nice storage.
Una camera.
Oh, this is really cute. Oh my God, this is adorable. You know him with windows. He's got to open up all the windows. So this is very cool. Very cool. Wow, this is really charming. It's big too. I mean, obviously.
Castagno. E queste
Oh,
sono
chestnut.
chestnut.
This is as solid as a rock, literally. Carina questo,
Molto.
è grande.
Molto affascinante.
Very charming, he
La
says.
casa poi è stata chiusa ed è molto sana. Ecco.
Yeah, right. It's been closed for a while, but it's not, you have absolutely zero smell. It's very interesting because this house is very, very dry.
Infissi.
Well, we're up like in the hinterlands. I mean, there's no humidity here.
Finestre ok, radiatori
Wow,
ok.
grande questo. Look at that. She must be cold-blooded, this woman. This is where we came in. I'm like so confused. Okay, all right, here we go. More bedrooms. E questo, camera di letto.
Camera di
Qua
letto.
e questo un bagno. So we have 2 bedrooms here, a very large bathroom. Yeah, this is a great bathroom. I love it.
C'è la sua doccia, è simpatico.
I walked in a spider web and I have bugs up my nose, but I'm good.
Allora Annetta mi devo mettere bello anch'io io.
Yeah,
Devo fare
right.
anch'io.
Do
Ok.
yourself.
Apro
Okay.
il window.
Here we go. My God, I look like a hot mess. Why doesn't someone tell me? I need a wardrobe person. Anybody that wants to come to Italy and be a wardrobe person for me, come on. Putting the offer in right now. Yeah, this is great. Love it. What do you think, Steven?
Cute.
You know, sometimes I feel like I should turn the camera on you and see what you think.
Let's buy it.
Questo c'ha sapore e c'ha del grande potenziale. Adesso vedi la parte...
I think it doesn't even, you know, he says it has potential. I think it's there. I think it's very chic, and I think it's, well, this is incredibly fun. I mean, to me, this is just lovely. You know, it just has such a rustic, nice feel, and the stonework is very beautiful. And you know, they've done it, so this is the thing, they've done this floor, not super expensive, but it's minimalistic and it's neutral. It's great. questo due appartamento?
Sì, ora vediamo. Allora, questa è una casa.
All right, this is always
Sì,
the
sono due
mystery.
appartamenti.
This is the mystery.
Poi c'è la parte rustica.
Okay, so this is the house. So when he gives me the initial measurements, he gives me the square footage of the entire house, but not livable space. So I'm just telling you, when you go with these real estate guys, I mean, you really have to mind your P's and Q's. So this is the living area. It's got 2 bedrooms. It's got what we call 1.5 baths. It's got lots of storage, which is very nice. And it's got a very, very, very adorable kitchen. And it's right as you walk in. It's very charming. So I like this. It's just, I always think, really? Like, now he's opening up the rustic part that you can do your own thing. I mean, I know, it's so, all right, sunglasses on. Okay, so this is the undeveloped part of the house, which, you know, I always like because I love a project. So this would make an incredible apartment. The other thing I might do, I don't know how this all connects, so I'm gonna see that. What I might do is make like this the kitchen, that a living room, and then rejig all of that. So I don't know, or this a guest house, but the main thing is you have square footage here. The stone is charming. The ceiling is charming. This is a charming space, so it's great. I love this place. All right, now we're going into the other part, the other room, because there's 2 rooms next to each other. You know, to me, this is like a whole other house, really. But what's nice about this project is that you can move in here, live here for years, actually, and think about what you want to do here and if you want to use these spaces or not use these spaces.
Qui ti rendi conto della casa, che è bellissima, da quegli angolari,
Okay.
dalla facciata fino in cima, tutto.
Oh boy,
Pazzesco.
you know, this is always so hard to understand. Okay, so questo la casa.
La casa.
Okay. Questo
Ora vediamo la parte sopra di
This
quello
is
che abbiamo
the
visto
new
nell'arte.
part that you could, what's great, I mean, it's great because the outside is completely done, which is very costly, so that's amazing. E questo qua? Lì.
E questa sempre è la casa vecchia.
E questa parte di questo or no?
Ora ci andiamo. Sì, tutto.
Oh, wow. Okay, so now I'm getting this. So this is
Wow.
the entire building, but only the middle part has been developed. So this è
Riassumendo.
come il mio casa questo, perché molto difficile, capisco questo.
Casa ristrutturata,
No, I mean come il mio.
fienile e casa vecchia.
Oh my God. The other nice thing about this essentially is a lock and leave because it doesn't have a lot of land around it. You know, you've got a neighbor right next door, very cute house next door, and I'm watching the grandma and the grandkids, and they're adorable. So it's very cute neighbors next door. So yeah, I love this house.
Incredibile.
And I think this is the buy of the century.
E c'è
She
ancora una
wants to get out of
sorpresa,
this.
C'è ancora una
This
sorpresa.
is fantastic.
Faccio vedere il
Oh,
portale
we have
d'ingresso.
another surprise.
Solo il portale d'ingresso.
Okay.
Non ti dico quanto vale.
Okay, let's
Lo
go.
guardiamo e basta.
Let's do it. I'm into this. Oh, geez, Louise.
Faccio strada.
Look at this. This is fabulous.
Qui è una bella taverna.
There's a fireplace there.
Sì.
Oh my God, and this arch.
Questa era una casa importante. Si vede da questo arco.
This is an important house, he keeps saying, because of
Questa
the
è la
arch.
cucina.
Oh my God, this is the cucina.
Cucina. Solaio tutto nuovo,
It's fantastic. I mean, someone has to buy this. It is a big project. I realize that you could do it over many years, but the ceiling here is done. Like this is like 3/4 done, people. She's already put €500,000 into it. She's asking $350 for it. So, I mean, Frank, don't worry. I'm not going to buy this. Although I am tempted. Oh my God, this is just...
Come queste
This
pietre.
is just...
Ora vediamo di
unbelievable.
sopra.
Oh, okay. Now we're going up. Now he's excited because I'm excited. No, I mean, I'm not going up there. No.
No problem.
No, I'm not going up there.
Sì.
It's not happening. I know what it looks like up there.
No
I've been in
problem.
houses like this. No problem. You guys have to go. I'm not going. If I fall down the ladder, then we can't do videos anymore. Oh my God. Right in my eyeball.
Il problema è la luce.
Is it cool?
Level. Allora, door. Important. Questo è l'ingresso.
Well, I have to say, this is a winner. It's a winner, baby.
Yeah, this is cute.
Right? 350,000?
Cute and cute.
I am telling you, they spent so much more on this. And then they just abandoned the project.
Sorry, ma window ok, ma now closed. Fantastic. New roof.
Oh, this is so cool. Those guys were up there filming. I'm down here just going, wow. Yeah, this is amazing. So this is the back door to the kitchen. Interesting.
Comunque, 1, 2. Questo,
Camere di letto in casa.
allora, 1, 2, andiamo. Qui è possibile big.
You could put the stairs here and put the pantry behind there, the dispensa they call it, and really make this the kitchen.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't. And just kind of restore it in a way that it's sort of historically correct.
Incredibile. 5. Fireplace. Fantastico.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Wow. Questo è incredibile. Questo è un camino che facevano nei castelli, questo.
These troughs would be amazing outside. I bet they bought them somewhere and said, "I'll just throw them in there. We'll store them and we'll put them out later."
Big thermal cups.
You can tell, yeah, you can tell that this was like a project they really wanted to work on, and then something came up, something happened in their family. They saved all this funky wood because they wanted to put it in there. I mean, all the stuff that they've left is worth a fortune. This is a lot like the project, the redo that my girlfriend Karina is doing. This is a similar project, except it's, you know, for months further along than her project. So it's got the same vibe to it when you look at the building. So if you like that project, maybe you want this project.
Qui surprise. Qui abbiamo un altro locale e terrazzo. Terrazzo. Ora problem. Vediamo. Aiuto. Help me.
Our house, when we bought it, there were things about it that were really done, and they were done well, and they didn't mess it up. And I feel like here they didn't muck it up, which is rare to find in Italy because they do have a tendency to muck things up and try to make them modern, and it just doesn't work. This is so cool.
Ok. Wow.
Grazie.
Prego. Wow. Incredibile.
Well, anybody that wants to do a really, really big project, this is the project. Because they've done 75% of it for you. You just have to finish it off. You rarely find this. This is an anomaly. This is not something you find in Italy at all. I mean, I cannot stress enough, someone that wants to do a big project, do this project. Do this one. And normally I'm not a hard sell like that, but you don't find this in Italy. This is something very unusual that you find something that's so inexpensive done. And I mean, you literally would probably, if you threw in another 350 into this, you'd be done. It'd be fantastic. 350 to $500,000, I think you would get this thing kicking. And if you did want to rent it out, it's already set up that way. So it's got a lot of potential.
Possono essere anche
I
appartamenti
never say
separati.
this, it has potential. It really has potential. I'm a little jealous because, you know, I would have loved to have found something for $350,000 that was in this condition and that I could just zhuzh.
Poi c'è un terrazzo sopra con una vista incredibile.
Oh yeah, I mean, of course.
questo era il fienile, wow.
Well, this house is going to be like a 3-hour tour. Right? With all the little, oops. Oh, I'm okay, I'm fine, I'm fine.
Perché questo è fantastico.
Oh my
Addirittura
God.
abbiamo
Holy moly, schmoly. Wowza, schmauza. Wow, this is gorgeous. I mean, this is a
la vista sulla corte.
This is so gorgeous. This is so beautiful. Plus, I love that opening. Like, you know, I'd already do that. You know, that's like already there. Oh my God. So this is the barn. It's the upstairs of the barn.
Questo è incredibile.
And this is like an incredible bedroom. I mean, oh my gosh.
Conta le
Oh
finestre.
my God.
1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4, Alf.
E questa è un camera di letto.
Che
This is
fantastica.
the master bedroom right here.
Incredibile, est.
Holy moly. Oh, please, you know, if you buy this, could you please call me? Because I want to see what you do with it. Call me on the phone. I will make you dinner and you can tell me all about this because I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in
Sì, qui c'è proprio-
love. Oh my God. This is incredible. All right, so we've done the tour. We're in my master bedroom. And I just want to tell you, if you got this far, which I hope you did, call me. No, if you got this far, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, right? And I think this is 25 thumbs up. This is the best property we've seen.
Best.
This is the best.
Best.
Because this has got all the things and you can do what you want with it. Customize it.